so I'm going to be opening cool blind bags from this spooky Halloween pumpkin. And I changed it to this because it's finally the Halloween month. I'm really excited. It's full with lots of different blind bags. And I'm going to be putting random toys in here. So I'm going to stir the pot. So let's get started. So we got Hot Wheels. So I got this car. This is a nice car. And it also comes with a sticker. Onto our second blind bag. We got Sheriff Callies Wild West. Oh my god, I got a different figure! I got Priscilla! And she's really cute. She wears a pink dress and a cute hat. Onto my third blind bag. We got Littlest Pet Shop. So this is the figure I got. I don't know what it is, but if you do, let me know in the comment. And it's very cute and I love her, and her number is 3923. Okay, on to my fourth blind bag. We got Shopkins blind bag. So let's open it. So I got a Shopkins checklist, a basket, and a figure. So let's see what figure we got. I got Danny Danish. And she's just a common. It also comes with a purple basket. Okay, so on to our fifth and last surprise. Oh look, we got a giant Kinder Surprise egg! And this is from Maxi Polly Pocket. So let's open it. So let's open up the egg. Aw, it just broke. But there's a lot of chocolate, and here's the egg, and it's huge. So let's open it. Let's see which one we get. Let's put her together. It comes with two skirts, one's pink and one's blue. It comes with her stand, and it comes with a hat. I'm going to put in the blue skirt, and I'm going to put her on. And I'm going to put on her hat, and on her stand. So there she is. Cool. And just because I love you so much, I'm going to open another blind bag. We got Puppy in my pocket. Let's open it. So I'm going to see which one I got. And they have a lot of them. Almost as much as Shopkins. So we got Gertie, and she is a sheepdog. Well, you guys, here are all the figures I got. My favorite is the doggy. Well guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday Play-Doh. Don't miss it. Bye!